National General Secretary ka seng NPP ubaderu usimbut Menteri Rangba ka jela uba singa bahalang dhar. Iathuh lupa ba ka seng Congress shen kan saja kyrteng no na ka jela Meghalaya. Habakren syakila ptai kubor haka arpwe teri nailar. Uba singa bahalang Ukren bat penpau lor ka jingwan penyasok badang shen jong kilaingut ki MLA ka Congress haka NPP da ka baong. Layo i kumba kayat syakata ka lenti. Shen ka Congress kan saja kyrteng no na Meghalaya. Ula ong ru bakum unong ilam barim ka Congress. Ula shimya karaban mi no na kanika party house nam arjar katnyo. Namar ula tiptik na baka nika party kan sangam no. Balay bangalit pinyaso siya ka NPP. Namar bangatip baka Congress kan sangam no. Bat kajing batay lupa kajonga kaday kababyang. Kumta house nam arjar katnyo hadu arjar katpra. Ngalalit ben pinyaso yala dia siya ka NPP. Namar ngatip hakati kapor, baka Congress kan sangam no hakanu kanu kapor ula benram. Nalor kata ula ongru baki ni kilaingut ki MLA ka Congress kilawan penyaso siya ka NPP, hakapor kababyang baha. Habakali, uni unong yalam ki NPP ula ong baka party jong u, kalong kabakloy ben pediang ya unong yalam bahakli ka Congress, ubaderu u MP barim ka Shillong uba Vincent H. Pala, siya po ka kenhun. Lada upala unwan, nginlong kibakloy ben pediang ngobhaya u. Ha kabayade baka jingkeno jong upala baka NPP kala pendon kam da kapisa bian ban betong ban thiet ki MLA Congress uba snga bhalang ulaong. Pila ban kali na laki jong ki MLA ka party kibalawan penyaso siya ngidang shen. Ngamday ubriyo ubade ban kran ya kani kapang. Ki MLA jong u kila penpao siya baka jingwan penyaso ka jong ki kadai kabla pensyong nong rim kamtam halor karoy kapar. Kila ban keno handre kam dan ka jing shisha. POE kidai ginong tauan. Kiyeng ha kanong rim jong karoy kapar kumba kila penpao siya kila ptai kubor. Le siya baro kidai ginong yalam balarim. Bat kila penpao siya ru baki don kam yaki kam penroy nakabenta kinong syong shnong. Le siya kilayo iya karukam trekam kababyang jong kasorkar. Kanile si kadai kaway na kidaw kabala penlong yaki, bakin wan yaso siya ka NPP ulaong. Syu uba nga bahalang ula kubur baka sorkar kamla satya ban ice scheme palat siya baro ki constituency, Henry ulaong. Ngala persyang kum ka sorkar ban le ya kababahatam. Amdan kawayru ka constituency kabala biang lut hakaroy kapar, Henry nakalang ka sorkar, kala persyang borba ban penyo yaki kampenroy siya baro ki constituency.
Jingrum jong ki inglaingut ki Congress mile thara pilai TV ke lai express media kum express kalong kum to ki hana nak leng jong kum ka di party ngin kanu kanu jimut ban wen ngeno ro mar bro ska tu milai telang do harja ka pra isu de hiba coalition patana jong ni terus ki kanu kanu jimut ban kan ria ni ban rek ngintai hadu benda ku dekat tempat kumju yang kibintiban petang so ada arah perahu itu lang kumju. That is opinion. There is nothing from the NPP party against anybody, against any party. Question he should ask from his own party MLA who join us. I'm not the right person to reply for that. Oh, that is wrong. That is his allegation, but that MLA expresses very clearly in front of you on the day of joining. Mainly is for development. Allegation from anybody they may allege, but actually it's not true. It's a false and baseless allegation. Benefit is for all. Benefit is for all the constituency of the state only. No, that I cannot say, no. The only thing that every political party who want to join NPP, they are most welcome. And we welcome them. As of now, we didn't have any intention with anybody or so. Maybe a time will come, that's a time will speak. You see, they are the legislator. They are for development as like how they express very clearly in the media. And that is the one. You see, because maybe they are all senior politicians. They express very clearly also because we need development for people. So we have to choose and set the right directions. Maybe they see that the performance of the government is very good. Maybe that is one reason they are joining the NPP. No, government cannot give enough scheme to all the constituencies, but we are trying as a government to perform our best. We are trying. No constituency has got enough development. But as a government, we are trying to give development to all the constituencies. Why I switched to NPP, I know that Congress is going to sing. My prediction is good. Maybe I'm right. 2017-18, I switched to NPP, so I know that time Congress is going to sing in no time. But good, yes. If they are, especially they join during this time, is maybe there is a plus for us. It's a good time. They join at the right time. That I can say that they are joining at the right time. That's what if he come, most welcome.